Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to set up discount codes on your Squarespace website in 2024. So today we're going to walk you through the process of setting up some discount codes on your Squarespace website. Discount codes are a powerful tool to attract new customers and even boost sales and run some promotions for your store. So let's dive into the steps on how to manage some discount code effectively and let's get started.
Make sure to watch us from now till the end so you have full experience.
First, you'll need to go and access your Squarespace account. To do so, go and open a browser. For me, I'm using Brave, or you can use whatever you want. Go to the URL section. Basically, just type squarespace.com and hit the enter button. Make sure to log in into your account if you have an account, and if you don't have an account, click on get started to create a new account. You can use Google if you don't want to get through all the boring steps of creating or even logging in into your account. So once you are here, as you can see, once you logged into your account, you'll find yourself here. You can simply just click in here and access the account dashboard right away. So as you can see, here I'll be able to access my website if you have one by simply clicking on it, and if of course if you don't have a website, you can simply just go and create a new one by clicking on create a website at the top right corner. So for me, I'll just go here and create access my websites because I already have one. For you, you can go and create your own. If you need some assistance, I've already made a video about how to create a website. You can go and check it out. So once you are here, as an example, if you go to selling normally, so yeah, here is it, selling, you'll find this discounts like option. So here, just go and click on that as an example. Very simple. So as you can see, active discounts, no active discounts. And active discounts will show up here. So to set up some discounts, we'll basically go and click on add discount at the top right corner. So click in there. And as you can see, you'll have to start filling up the information of that discounts. By the way, starting by the name. So for me, as an example, as you can see, this name is shown to customer at checkouts. So what's the name of it? For me, I'll just name it this at the moment. Of course, for you, make sure to name it something attractive. Then the trigger, like, is a discount code that people should enter by their own, or do you want it to be an automatic discount? So when people like buy something, it should be automatically applied to their carts. So for me, I'll just list it as a discount code so people will enter it by their own. And here you'll have to enter that discount code. If you don't want to enter something or you don't know what to enter, you can simply click on generate code. But as you can see, normally generated code are harder to remember. So make sure to create something easy to remember. Maybe as an example, we are in 2024, so you can type, I don't know, maybe 2K. So let's everything capital letters. So 2K24 as an example in here. And I'll add sale. So 2K24 sale. So it's kind of easy to remember than the other code. Then here, the promotion, how much the promotion is going to be. So it's first of all percentage off or amount off or even free shipping. You can order free shipping if they enter this discount code. You can name it even here free shipping or something like that as discount code. So for me, as an example here, of course, if you choose amount off, you'll have to enter the specific amount that it should be off per the cards or percentage, like depending if they get maybe an order of $10 and you give them a 20% off, they will get $2 off. If it's $100, they will get $20 off, and etc. So depending on whatever you want. So for my example, I'll just put a 10% off here of the website, or sorry, of whatever they have in their carts. As simple as that. So here I will enter 10% and applies. What this discount code, it should apply to what? In any order or orders over, like example, a specific amount, maybe if they are more than 50%, maybe, or sorry, $50, or maybe on a single product, you can simply just go and select that specific product. Maybe you want to put a product on sale, so people will buy it, and you put a discount on that specific product. You can simply, as example, put $20, or sorry, 20% on that specific product, and simply choose the products here. Just filter it by the product that you have, as example, and maybe this is my products, and I can choose it from here. Other than that, you can choose like digital products that you have if you have some digital products. And finally, products by category. If you have a specific category, like as example, summer category, and the summer is about to end or summer is about to start, and you want to put some discount into it, you can do that also. So for me, at the moment, I'll just let it on any order, and I'll let 20% off. And here you can simply choose the limits total uses. So do you want the discount code to be unlimited, like used forever? That is pretty like not ideal, because if your store is known, like people can share it online, so everyone will be able to use it, and you want just to be used by special customers. So here I'll just go and click on limited uses, and as example, I'll make it being used like for 50 times. After 50 times, the discount should not be used anymore. Then the customer limits. You can limit the use of the customer per one. So here, so people, like the same person, cannot use the same discount over and over and over and over, which is good. So people will not just keep spamming ordering, especially if you have a good like percentage off or amount off. And here you have the limit subscription discount. So exclude subscription products or just first payment, all payment, depending on whatever you want. Maybe just subscription will be good, or just first payments of your store or something like that. And here you can choose like the start dates and also the expire date, or never expires. If you don't want it to expire, just check this option and you should be good to go. So once you finish, make sure to save it. And yeah, once it's saved, if you go to discounts, you should find here. So let me just go and refresh. So if you go to scheduled, okay, inactive, where's the discount? Yeah, maybe because like I entered this option, which is will require, as you can see, so this option will require, as example, an upgraded plan. So I'll just put something here random again to show you like that it should be added. So like that, limited, yeah, all of that, that should be good. Then click on save. So yeah, it should be like, yeah, as you can see, because I entered something from premium, that's why it did not show. Now it should be showing like like this. And of course, you can simply just click on it and then delete it if you want to, if you don't want to use it anymore, and etc. So this is going to be it for me today. Thank you for watching, and goodbye.